Hi friends, today I am going to explain about MS Office. In this MS Office, MS means Microsoft Office. This MS Office include some applications. These applications are Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft PowerPoint, Microsoft Access, Front Page, and Outlook Express. SMS Word is used to store the data in the documentation, that means in text format. And in MS Excel, if you want to calculate any functions, that means if you want to use for accounting purpose, at that time we can use MS Excel in MS Office. So, and the next one is Microsoft PowerPoint. This is used to create the presentation slides. That means if you want to presentations, at that time we can use Microsoft PowerPoint. And next one, Microsoft Access. It is nothing but a database. In this MS Access, we can store the data in the format of the tables. And the next one is Front Page. This front page is used to create the web pages. And next one is Microsoft Outlook Express. It is used to send the mails and it is used to compose anything. So, for that purpose, this is Outlook Express is used. In this MS Office, Microsoft Word is used documentation purpose, means if you want any letter or if you want any memorandum, we can type in text format and store it with .doc extension. For example, if you want any relieving letter, at that time we can type the information and we can store the letter with .doc extension, means relieving.doc. At that time that file will recognize as a Word file because the Word file extension is .doc. And as it is Microsoft Excel, this Microsoft Excel is used to calculation purpose. Already I will tell that. So, if you want any calculation, we can use the Microsoft Excel, depend on some formulas and functions, and we can save that Excel file with .xlx extension. And same as it is Microsoft PowerPoint. If you want any presentations, for that purpose we can use Microsoft PowerPoint in the form of slides, and we can store that PowerPoint file with .ppt extension. And Microsoft Access, it is used to store the data in the form of database tables. I also already discussed this, and we can store these database tables with Access extension, that means .accdb. And front page is there. This front page is used to create the web pages, and these web pages are stored with the extension of .html. So these all are applications in MS Office. So this MS Office is the very important for office purpose. If you want to calculation, if you want to any documentation, if you want any presentation, if you want to store the data in the form of database. So if you want any web pages and if you send any mails, at that time these tools are used. That means Microsoft Word for documentation purpose and Microsoft Excel for accounting purpose and Microsoft PowerPoint for presentation purpose and Microsoft Access to store the data in the database format, and front page is used to create the web pages, and Outlook Express is there to store the mails in Outlook Express. If you want to send any mail for any other persons, we can use the Outlook Express. So these all our applications are included in MS Office package. Everything will store in the format of files. That means for MS Word .doc is used, for MS Excel .xls is used, for PowerPoint .ppt is used, for Access we can use ACCDB. These all our files will store in system with the use of folders. Okay friends, I stop here. In next class I will explain about MS Word. If you like this video, we can like it and share it and subscribe my channel. Thank you.